Hello guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dustin, this is Autobahn Speed. Right now I'm standing behind the car that you're gonna guess. In this video, same like previous videos from Guess the Car, I'm gonna give you some details and we're gonna make it a game. So you can write down in the comments what kind of car this is, well, what you think what kind of car this is. And then a couple of videos later I will reveal the car and then I'm gonna drive it on the Autobahn. I'm gonna give you some more details of the car, my first impression of how it's driving, and we're gonna do a review. But the first video starts with Guess the Car, so look at the details, write down in the comments what you think what kind of car this is, so I'm very curious what you think it is. Well, and that were the details of this car. Do you already have an idea what it is? Write it down below. I'm very curious what you think it is. I'm gonna give you one hint today. And the hint is that it's quite a sporty GT kind of car. So good luck with guessing. Well, and it's now time to reveal the car from Guess the Car Part 3, and that is this car. You can see it here in nice shiny grey. It is the Alfa Romeo Mito 1.3 diesel engine with 85 horsepower, so it's not gonna go that fast on the Autobahn, but I'm definitely gonna give it a try. So please keep on watching the videos and give a thumbs up if you like it. Leave in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe and keep on following this channel. We're gonna do more videos with this car. See you, bye.